Cleans up cluttered container lids for an easy win. No more digging around the cabinet to find a lid that fits. They're all in one place and neatly organized. Adjustable dividers create customized spacing, so lids of various shapes and sizes stay upright and sorted the way you like. It fits in standard upper cabinets or deep drawers. With Store-A-Lid Large, you can organize container lids and pack leftovers in a snap. It's satisfying to triumph over the small stuff. With each little organization win, you can smile, pat yourself on the back, or even, woohoo, totally acceptable. When you're ready for that feeling, we're here to welcome you to Woo Club. Made of technological metal, this high-quality material is super lightweight and extremely durable, never rust, and guarantees a long service life. No more messy closet or loose items laying around. Our tool organizer combined with 4 slots and 4 hooks allow you hold various household objects, can be used in the laundry, kitchen, bathroom, utility room, garage, garden and etc. And it's worth to mention that all slots and hooks are movable. Any problems with the mop holder during the use, please contact the seller Holic Me in time. The after-sales team will handle your problem as quickly as possible. Just add to cart, and buy it now for your convenient life. Up Space Box Organizer maximizes vertical space by storing foil, wrap and bag boxes horizontally in a dedicated place. It fits most box sizes, even large family-sized ones, by simply adjusting the clearance of the shelves, making it a great organizer for foil, parchment, kitchen wrap, freezer bag and food bag boxes. Wherever you need it, the Up Space Box Organizer will slide into your daily routine. It's a sturdily crafted organizer bin made using heavy-duty plastic that can easily store a good number of items without causing any sort of harm to the bin's structure. The transparent body allows you to view the content, which is present inside, with ease so that you can pick the required item right away without making a mess of it. Also, it is stain and odor resistant to further enhance the value that is being delivered. The built-in handles make for easy conveyance and handling of the drawers. Its design takes up minimal storage space. Don't let zipper bags mess your fridge anymore. It helps you to make your refrigerator keep clean and organized from messy zipper bags. It means you will have more space in your refrigerator. It holds 11 zipper bags and maximum 22 pounds. 11 zipper bags are pretty enough for 1-week meal prep. You don't need to use any tools to assemble the product. It comes with fully assembled for a quick and easy install. Rails extend from 13.78 inches to 20.87 inches long. Hooks are adjustable from 0.7 inches to 0.98 inches high. We're here to stand for your best experience from our products. If you're not happy with your purchase, we'll replace or refund you immediately if you just drop us a line.